We're going to be making a video on my Gemini Jets model airplane collection. And yeah, this is a February update, and there's a bunch of new models. For the older models, I'm just going to go through them fast since you already seen them. And yeah, right, so first off is the Skyworks United 787-8. Next off, we have a Southwest 737-MAX 8, which is made by Skyworks. Next off, we have a Delta A350-900. Yeah, I fixed the engine, so now it's glued on because it fell off. And yeah. Next off, we have a Flight Ventures Southwest 737-300 Arizona 1 livery. Next off, we have a JetBlue A321. This is also Skyworks. The camera is kind of a little fuzzy. Okay, so next off, we're going to go for my 1/400 and 1/500 collection. And this is where the most changes are. Right, so first off, we have a US Airways A319. Pretty good model. This is only Airbus aircraft I have for now. Yeah. This is pretty good model. Nothing's broken so far, so that's good. Okay, next off, I want this. This is one of my favorite ones. Is a Herpa 737-900ER. This is Alaska and Alaska More Love livery. Yeah, this is 1/500. These are smaller. So next off, I'm going to show you some of my new models. Okay, so. Alright, so this is one of my newest model. It's not my newest model, but it's one of my newest. It's a United CRJ 550. I'll need to move over a little bit. I want to zoom in a little bit. Yeah, so here's the United CRJ 550. A little bit of cat hair still on there, yeah. So this is registered N504GJ. Yeah, there's this cat hair on it. Cat hair. The problem with having pets, there's like, there's always cat hair on it, everything. Yeah, this is a really good model of the CRJ. The reason why I have this one, because I'm going to Norfolk Mile Airport, and they're starting service, the CRJ 550, on May 8th to, I think it was New York. Yeah, Newark. Yeah. That's why I got this. It's a very good model. Yeah, this is from the November releases. Yeah. Alright, so next off is, I got 2 February releases. I may get the A319 from the February releases, but alright, so next off is we have a Gemini Jets United Express E170. This is one I really needed for Norfolk because they use this to Washington Dulles and Newark International Airport, Chicago O'Hare, and also Denver. They use this on a bunch of routes from Norfolk. And I've seen on Flight Radar 24 they've been using this in a new livery. Yeah. This is a pretty good model. The gears actually do roll. This is my first Gemini Jets aircraft. The gears roll. This is a pretty good model of the E170. I may be flying on this one in the summertime, so I can see for myself. Yeah, this is operated by Express Jets. Alright. Let's put them on. Alright, here's my favorite model. You may be able to guess, but I said I was going to get this one in the last update, but yeah. Alright, so here is my new model. I love this one. This is a Southwest 737-700 in the Tennessee 1 livery. Yeah, with the hardtail. Yeah, I use this to Baltimore from Norfolk, so I need as many Southwest ones. So, yeah, I actually seen this plane arriving in Norfolk on Flight Radar 24. That's the best app for tracking airplanes, by the way. Yeah, the gears for some reason don't roll in this for some reason. Yeah. Alright, so next off is a new model I never told you about. It's made by different companies, so. Alright, so next off, we have an NG model, my first NG model. This is a 737-800. Yeah, I bought this from Amazon. They were selling really fast, so I picked them up. This plane flies to Norfolk to Orlando. I got like 6:50 a.m. It's a pretty early flight. Orlando's a pretty popular flight from Norfolk. Because everyone likes going to Disney World, I guess. I don't know. Yeah. This NG model is probably the best quality 1400 I have. The gears do roll. Yeah, I'm going to do a 360 spin on this. Alright. I want to move over to my Delta collection, which hasn't really changed that much. Alright, next off we have a Delta 737-900ER. Showed you this in the last update. The front landing gear still broken, but I'm considering getting a new 900ER with the split skin first. Because this one's pretty damaged. Yeah. Alright, next off is something unfortunate happened. Alright, so, alright, yep, here's my 777. Bring it over. Oh yeah, so the gear, this plane is the gear's really bad on this plane. Yeah, the front landing gear broke off, so someone fixed it. And also, you can see right here, the wing gear, whatever you call it, that broke off too, so I had to glue that back on. Yeah. That's kind of unfortunate. Yeah, this is a 1/500 for Herpa. Yeah, Herpas are kind of crappy. The gear is crappy. The model itself is really good. It's just the gear. Alright, next off, here's a weird thing out model. Alright, so next off, we got this damaged model I felt. I believe this is a Herpa 1/500 United 777-200 in the Army battleship livery. Yeah, I found this at like a estate sale. Yeah, this is made in like the 90s, I think. I couldn't find this exact model on eBay. Yeah, that's a pretty weird one for me to have, but yeah. Alright, so that's going to conclude this month's update. I'm up to a total of 13 models. Yeah. So next month in March, I think I'm going to have additional 2 more models, maybe more, you never know. Because of eBay. I've been selling stuff on eBay, so have a good bank balance. I can buy more models. Yeah. Alright, so thank you all for watching this February update. And have a good day. Bye.